wanted to show you something before, kung wala na pong iba, I'll be showing lang muna yung isang presentation. Kasi ito, survey to that was conducted by the Policy Studies, Research and Statistics Division of the Dangerous Drugs Board. Ito yung mga, I wanted to show you, ito yung kinonduct na survey. Noong 2004, yung pong Policy Studies, Research and Statistics Division ng Dangerous, nag-conduct sila noong 2004 ng survey. Ito data to ha, 6.7 million drugs. At noong 2008, the same survey that they conducted, bumaba yung ating drugs, naging 1.7 million drugs na lang. And then suddenly, noong 2015, after so many years, 1.8 drugs. Yan po yung sinabi ni Benjamin Reyes. Siya po ang dating chairman ng DDB na 1.8 million nung 2015 according sa survey na yan. Then nag-jump siya ng 4 million because this person, si pangalan to? Benjamin Reyes, was issued an order from the former president to be relieved from his position. Dahil mali nga daw yung 1.8, dahil dapat daw 4 million yung I just wanted to show sa inyo ng 2004 to 2008, according sa survey, that's the reason why we will be inviting the Policy Studies, Research and Statistics Division of the Dangerous Board. Para malaman natin, what is the reason why bumaba yung drug users from 2004 to 2008 from 6.7 to 1.7. Even without the that was implemented noong 2016, bumaba naman pala tayo eh.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, kaya nga, we wanted to find out what was the reason for this substantial reduction of from 2004 to 2008. Hindi po ako nagsasabi nito ha, survey po to that was conducted. So we want to find out ano yung policy that were conducted during that time that lead to substantial reduction of and why from 2015 it was increased to 4 million. So, yan yung po ating pag-uusapan sa susunod na hearing. Wag na po natin pag-usapan ngayon because wala na po tayong oras. Pinaalis na po tayo dito. At meron daw, but because wala na po tayong time, we will be accommodating lang Congressman Richard Gomez and kung sino pa po iba, then we will be suspending this hearing. Congressman Richard Gomez, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Actually, ngayon ko lang nakita itong data na ito. But initially, ang aking impression dito, Mr. Chair, there is a big possibility that during the time of 2008 and between 2008 and 2015, baka hindi intensified ang pag-raid sa case sa mga because in 2016 when the President Duterte sat, there was a strict order na magkaroon ng fight against so naging yung na-intensify yung laban sa kaya maraming nare-report ng mga cases kaya tumaas ito.
And that's the reason.
But if I remember right, Mr. Chair, I don't know if that was during the inaugural SONA ni President Duterte or one of his press conference. Sinabi niya na the reason na gusto niyang gawin tong fight against because the Philippines is already becoming a state. Or parang sinabi niya we are already in a state of parang it's something to that effect. That is why na-intensify yung fight against and that is isusuportan ko yung sinabi ni General Fajardo na during the time na COP siya, hindi ko alam kung LCE tayo nun na chairman, talagang yung mga police inutusan talaga na mag-intensify sa laban sa and siguro that is the reason kung bakit mataas yung reporting ng year 2016 na umabot siya ng 4 million.
Yes. Oh, yun ang ating pong pag-uusapan sa next hearing, no? Yung sudden jump from 1.8 to 4 million. And at the same time, ano yung policy that was implemented from 2004 to 2008 until 2015? Kasi mababa po siya eh. 6.7 tapos naging 1.7 tapos naging 1.8 lang yung mga and then suddenly nag-jump. So yun po tayo sa next hearing.
Mr.
So,
Chair, quick.
Okay, Congressman Luis Ro.
May I just suggest that we invite the focal person of whoever conducted this survey?
Yes, I have
So we will hear what parameters they considered in conducting and coming out with those figures.
Oh, andito po siya sa PSRSD conducts nationwide household survey. We will be inviting this group, no? Under din siya ng danger yung survey na yon eh. Ha? I-ano natin, i-confirm natin tong validate natin tong nakita nating report sa kanila.
So, Mr. Chair,
I was really also ano eh, I was shocked, no? Sabi ko, bakit from 2004, 6.7 million biglang bumaba siya, naging 1.7.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
first lang ba yan o
Ito maliwanag, Chairman Abante. The board has already conducted 2 nationwide surveys under the Public Act 9165 in 2004, which resulted with an estimated 6.7 million, and in 2008, an estimated 1.7 million respectively at the time those surveys were conducted. So, we need to invite them para malaman natin,
So, hindi-
pound natin yung survey na ginawa nila. We'll be inviting them over and bring all those surveys they use para makita natin ano rin ang ginamit nilang parameters, why a sudden drop yung mga millions eh from 2004 to 2008 eh. We need to find out.
Mr. Chair, di ba yung
Yes, Congressman Plato.
Di ba
Hindi natin na. Anyway, kung wala na po tayo, Chairman Caraps.
before we suspend, Mr. Chairman, we may also invite the representative from PDEA and the Mr. Chairman.
Okay,
So move, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion to invite those
Mr. Chair.
personalities. Any second the motion? Duly seconded. Any
I
objection?
second the motion,
Hearing
but
none? Ha?
can we invite the former Director General? Kasi mas marami nasasagot yung kesa kay DG Lasso eh. Kasi yung pag-uusapan natin yung during his time. Sino ba? Si Wilkins?
During this time?
Sino ba yun?
During that time, sino ba?
Si
Si
Wilkins.
Wilkins.
Okay, can we invite
Yes,
both?
we'll be inviting him over as well. Si Aquino and Wilkins. Yes. Okay, there's a motion to invite those personalities as well. No objection? All right. So, any
Motion
any
to
more?
suspend, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion to suspend, duly seconded. This hearing is now suspended.